Hey guys, today we are going to roll our patterned papers up into tubes. So first you're going to need to have your paper that has all of your patterns and designs on 2/3 of it, and you're going to roll it up. You're going to start by folding a very small crease down the side of your page, and then you're going to fold it over on itself. You can crease it a couple of times at first to get it going, but then as you go, you are going to keep going and just roll it up into a very tight tube. Yeah. All right, and you might have noticed that I'm using recycled paper. If you're using recycled paper too, that's fine. Just make sure that the recycled part is on the inside. And you can see that I'm just rolling and rolling, and now you can start to see some of my pattern. And I did a little bit more than I needed to. That's fine. I'm going to put some glue down at the side, and I'm going to roll it right over the glue. And I'm going to hold it for a minute because glue is not instant. And there is my tube. You can see it's all rolled up. Now I'm going to roll up the rest of my tubes. Now when you're rolling, you might notice that it's kind of rolling not very evenly, and there's a bit that pokes out on the side, and to fix that you just push it in while you're rolling. And you might need to push it in a couple of times as you roll, but if you wait till the end to push it in, it won't push in. So that's how you fix that problem. All right, once you have finished rolling up all your tubes, you can find a piece of cardboard. If it's light enough, you can start decorating that cardboard. I would like you to decorate it using different lines and patterns similar to what you used on your tubes. You can use markers or colored pencils, it doesn't really matter. You want to fill the whole base up. This is going to be the base of your sculpture up. Next time we are going to build our sculptures on this base, so you really need to make sure that the base is finished before you start sculpting.